Welcome students, class 9th. Now we will see example 8 in exercise 15.1. Look here, they are asking that find the probability. I am reading from the exercise 15.1 example 8. Look here, I am reading from book. Look here, refer to question 2 exercise 14.2. What is probability that engineers lose? Number 1, less than 7 km from workplace, or more than or equal to 7 km from workplace, and third, within half kilometer from workplace. I have written all three. See, I have written all three in answer book. See, look here. Engineers living at less than 7 km, engineers living at more than or equal to 7 km, engineers living at within half kilometer from workplace. So all this is three from workplace. Okay. Now let us come to exercise 14.2. I am coming to exercise 14.2. See example number 2. Okay. Now first one will take less than 7 km. Look now. Less than 7 km means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? See, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these figures I have written in answer sheet. See, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 6, 6. So they are 9. So probability is equal to P of E, that is event of getting engineers living at less than 7 km from their workplace. 9 upon 40. What is second now? More than or equal to 7. तो 7 से बड़े, 7 और 7 से बड़े, तो 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Let us come back to table in textbook. I am coming. See, I am reading from the textbook. See, look here. 7 or more than 7. देखिए. We will read directly. Then we will write 1. More than 7. 7 से बड़े आएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See then 30. Got it? So that is what equal to 30. Check once again. 7 or more than 7. Check करिए. 7 या 7 से बड़े. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. देखिए काउंटिंग में गलती हो सकती है 31. So you got it. Therefore, probability of second event is 31 out of 40. Got it? Now third is what? Within half kilometer. Third one within half kilometer from workplace. Okay, within half kilometer. Let us come back to table now. See, within half kilometer देखिए 5C 5 3. Look in the table. No distance is mentioned less than 1. So 0. Within half kilometer, no one is living. That is equal to 0 people. So probability of this is equal to 0 out of 40. So 0 probability. Clear, children? Please understand this. Okay. Now see the video 2 times. Understand this example. Okay. I am coming back to exercise 15.1. See. I am coming back to exercise 15.1. Example number next we will see. What is next example? 9. Look there. That is activity. Okay. Example 9 you read and start doing yourself. I am writing here. Example 9. See example 9. Homework, practice, activity. Read. ट्राई टू डू योर सेल्फ. देखता हो कितने लोग लिखा हुआ समझते हैं बुक में. राइट नाउ एग्जाम्पल 10, दैट इज ऑल्सो एक्टिविटी दैट विल डिस्कस नाउ. इससे आपको हिंट मिलेगा बेटा. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग example 10. Okay, now see, I am looking at the book now. Please look here. I am reading. Ask all students in your class to write 3-digit number. So you know 3-digit numbers, how many are there? What is smallest 3-digit number? 100. Very good. What is highest? 999. Correct. So see, we can write here 3-digit numbers. 100, 101, dot dot dot, last 999. Yes or no? Very good. Now see, choose any student from the room at random. Okay, I have taken, suppose I took one your friend, one Priyanka I am taking. Okay, one student Priyanka I have taken. What is the probability that the number written by him or her is divisible by 3? Okay, now divisible by 3 कौन कौन आते हैं सर? All 3-digit numbers, number divisible by 3. So you have to find now. Now see, we will take 100, no. 101, no. 102, yes. Yes or no? 105, yes. Dot dot dot. This is divisible. Yes or no? Got it? So we are getting now new AP. AP containing 102, 105 and so on. All are divisible by 3. Right? So you are asked to find what is probability that number written by him or her is divisible by 3. So here you have to find how many are there, n equal to question mark. You can find APA, this is AP. A equal to 102, D equal to 3, yes or no? N equal to 999. Okay, so you know formula, N equal to A plus N minus 1D. N is 999, A is 102, plus N don't know, we'll find. Okay, look here now, D is what? 3. So 999 minus 102 equal to 3N minus 3. Subtract. Please, 897 minus 3 plus 3 equal to 3N. So see now, 900 equal to 3N. So N equal to 300. Total number of numbers are, 3-digit numbers are 300, which are divisible by 3. So in all, how many are there? See now, इसका टोटल कितना है? पहले में ये निकालना पड़ेगा. 100 से 999 तक कितना आएगा सर? Can you tell me how many are there total इसमें? So this is what, 300 numbers divisible by 3. So this you got. Now probability, ये 300 तो मिल गए, आउट ऑफ हाउ मेनी? वो भी आपको यहाँ से ये निकालना पड़ेगा कैपिटल. इसका एक कैपिटल ए निकाल लेंगे आप. कैन यू फाइंड? नाउ सी, टोटल नंबर इन ऑल, टोटल 3-digit numbers in all. So we are taking, see, AP कौन सा है ये? 100, 101 डॉट 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 999. इसमें भी देखो A कितना है सर? 100. D कितना है जी? 1. एंड N कितना है? 999. तो आप निकालिए फिर से, A प्लस N माइनस 1 D. तो N कितना है सर? 999. वाह, दैट इज 100 प्लस N minus 1. D is what? 1. Okay. Now open, 100 cancel. 899 equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 comes this side, becomes 900. Okay. You are getting 900. Clear? So total numbers are 3-digit are 900. And only divisible by 3 are 300. So probability of 3-digit numbers divisible by 3 are, that is what, P of E equal to 300 out of 900, that is equal to 3 upon 9. Did you understand, children? Please see example 10 properly. This activity. First of all, see you are writing 3-digit numbers हमने लिख लिया. कुल मिला के all 3-digit numbers are how many? Total 3-digit numbers in all we calculated they are 900. Out of 900, how many are divisible by 3? So we wrote new AP 103 105.999. Now we got A is 102, D is 3, N is this. We got 300 numbers are divisible by 3. Then out of 900, 300 are divisible. So we got probability like this. Okay, children, please understand this one. Now we will see example 11. Please see. Now I am reading from the book. I am showing you. Look. Here it is given 11 bags. All students, please. You will write this example from textbook. I am showing you in YouTube. 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.00, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07, 5.00. Question is, see, 11 bags are there. Each marked 5 kg. Actually contain the following weights. It is written on the bag 5 kg, but it was checked in the bag. Practically, it was noticed weight is some bags are weighing 4.97, some are weighing 5.05, some are weighing 5.08, some are weighing 5.3, 5.03, like this. Now, question is that, see, find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg. So out of these 11 bags, just find out how many are practically containing more than 5. So see, if you see more than 5, I am telling you 5.05. I am writing in answer. Actually, bags weighing more than 5 kg. Yes or no? तो पहला देखता हूँ उसमें से. देखो, एक तो है 5.05, दूसरा है 5.08, नेक्स्ट 5.03, देन 5 तो चलेगा नहीं, 5.06, 5.08. I am writing all these which are weighing. Then 5.04, then 5.07. And that is last. Now see, in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check properly from the question also. More than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total bags weighing more than 5 practically are 7. Out of how many? Total. See, total bags in all. कितना है जी? 11. So probability of weighing more than 5 are 7/11. Got it? Yeah, you have to write this, children. For this, marks are given. Remember it.